everybody, it's Miss Sluffle. I'm just going to give y'all a quick rundown about some letter sounds. You might have noticed your children walking around the house doing crazy motions for all letter sounds when they're trying to sound out words. I just wanted to give you a little background on that. It is called Total Physical Response. It's a learning style for kinesthetic learners, hands-on. That really helps ingrain the letter sounds into their head. So I've made up hand signals to go with each letter sound. So first we're going to start with A. I have them take it like this, ah, like they're eating an apple, ah. B says B. Take your hands like this, put them on your head like a bear, bear. C, K. Take your 3 fingers, run them across your face like this. These are supposed to be like cat whiskers. So he says K, K, cat. D, hands up like this. I tell him that it's like a beak, and this is a duck. D, 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 duck. E, vowels are always tricky. So we had A, E. I tell them that E is really hard of hearing, and he can't hear very well. So he has to cup his ear like this, and he has to say E. F. Take both hands, put them on either side of your face, like a fish. G. G says G. So take 2 hands, put them on your face, glasses. G, G, glasses. H. Hand out, breathe onto your hand. H says, and you should be able to feel the breath on your hand when you do the letter H. I, another tricky vowel. Scrunch your nose up like this. Take your finger, like an itch. The nose scrunch really helps them differentiate E and I. Those are hard for them. J, hands like this. J. Let it take off like a jet. J, J. J's and G's trick them up a lot too. So make sure G, G, J, J. K. Take your fingers, make a K with your hand. K. C says K. K says K. L. You hold like a lollipop and you lick it. Oh. L. M. Like you're hungry, so you rub your belly. Like something's really yummy. N. Take 2 hands, open your newspaper. M, mouth closed. N, mouth open. I'm probably gonna have to change N soon because kids aren't gonna know what a newspaper is anymore. O. Make a O with your mouth. Ah, circle around. Ah. P. Pat your head. P. Pat. Q. Q is always a tricky one for the kids. I remind them of a queen, and queens wear crowns. So to remember Q, queen, queen. R. Take it like a hook. S. Like a snake. Snake. T. T. Make a T with your fingers. T. 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 U. use a very tricky vowel, always trip them up. So I tell the kids that U is very confused. So U scratches his head, he says, like he's thinking about the answer. So U says, like he's confused. V, make a V with your fingers. I tell them that they should feel a tickle on their lip when they make the V sound. It makes mine crazy. W. Take two hands, put them together, It helps them remember to write the letters too. Sometimes when we do the letters with our bodies. X, they like this one. Take your hands, because X is kind of K and S put together. So you take both sounds, say them real fast together. Y. Y is a tricky one too. They always want to make the U sound but Y doesn't say Y says y, like a yo-yo. We kind of make the Y with our body there. Z. Z for zigzag. So just make a zigzag motion with your fingers. So I just wanted to give y'all a heads up and a little rundown on my total physical response learning style. It really helps with those letter sounds and remembering them. But before we focus on letter sounds, you really need to focus on letter identification, identifying the letters. A good way to practice that is just flashcards. Go through flashcards, see what letter it is. All right, well, y'all have a great day, and thank you for watching and listening, and happy letters.